Good morning. Out again on what's damp at the moment, but it's supposed to be quite a nice day. No major plan for today, but I thought I'd start by taking on White Hill, which is the longest, straightest, most boring and yet tricky hill coming out of Henley. I've not tried it on this bike before and it's going to be interesting, I think. I got my Garmin registered with Track Leaders this week. Track Leaders is a website that supports various events, and they have a map for the GDMBR. You give them a donation and your dot appears. It will reset apparently on the 20th, on the day I start. My handle there, as for most things, is Reference Geek. Having to do a short section on this main road, not over keen. Still, here comes the lay-by. I've decided I'm going to head down into Marlow and then see if I can find a way through on the other side of the river to normal. No doubt it's going to involve some hills. I don't know if this is true or not, but I believe this bridge might have been a prototype of the Clifton Suspension Bridge in Bristol. Now on the wrong side of the river. Let's see where it takes us. This is Longridge, excellent water sports facility for young people. My Garmin's telling me to climb, but I'm going to ignore it. I don't know whether this is a dead end for me. A new colour just came up on my Garmin on the climb. I don't think I've ever seen that colour before. I don't like the look of it. Well, I haven't done any hiker bike for a while, so this is probably good practice. Garmin was saying this was 9%. I think it's having a laugh. Oh, in fact, it stopped showing the percentage. I'm about 1 hour in. I've only done 17 Ks. Just got to get used to slow travelling. Just starting up this hill from the boatyard, I've got a memory of zooming down this hill on a bike when I was in my teens. I don't have a memory of how I got back up. Well, the rain just appeared, so the kit's getting a workout today. Three K's in, probably time to stop for a coffee. I was just chatting to a mountain biker from New Zealand, and he was riding an e-bike definitely the way to go. Not for the big trip, but my next bike is definitely going to be an e-bike. The rain has stopped. I can see some blue bits in the sky. Not really sure what I'm going to do once I get to the other end of Cookham. Perhaps I might go down through Maidenhead and do a bit of the Jubilee River. I don't think I'll make it all the way to Windsor and back, but that may well be the way to go. Right, this is no good. Time to get back on the bike. Good morning.
Good morning.
I thought I might run out of road, but the path is here. Right? You have? Well, that was scary. I almost lost the drone. It was telling me it didn't have enough battery to get back and the winds were too high. I have insurance on it, but I don't know whether that covers stupidity. And either way, if I was out in the middle of nowhere, insurance isn't going to help me. Need to be a bit more careful. Right, decision made. I'm going to go along the Jubilee River, which is not a river, it's a man-made flood relief channel. I'm going to stop off at Dorney where I believe I can get breakfast, because it's about that time. Thank you. This is what we do in the UK. We go to the cafe at the garden centre. That was a nice cafe stop. Latte, pan of raisin, feeling good. Now, as the drone foretold, it's deceptively windy and I got a horrible feeling I've got a headwind all the way home. I don't know where this path leads. I'm hoping it's going to end up... Oh! Okay, I didn't see that coming. Literally, as I was saying, I don't know where this path goes, but I'm hoping it's going to end up at the bridge over the waterway. Oh no! Well, that's not good. Just coming up on the sounding arch, which when Brunel built it was the lowest, widest brick arch. Each arch is 128 feet wide, but it only rises 24 feet. Wow, these cars get close. But the good news is, my son lives about another half a mile further on. Time for another coffee stop. Now, cutting across and down into Sonning. And the sun's come out. Perfect. Just heading back into Henley. Just over 4 hours to do, where are we? 69 kilometers. So very slow, and that's on tarmac. I can't lie, I'm feeling the saddle a bit, but still, 4 hours in, I'm not surprised. Out on the trail, I'll be taking a few more breaks, I expect, and no doubt there's going to be more hiker bike, so it's less time in the saddle. Nearly home. A good ride today. It had a bit of everything really. We had a bit of rain, we had some hiker bike, we had quite a lot of off-road and a fair amount of tarmac. Pleased to be getting home.